visit another country. In the meantime, we get ready and underway with your second set. Seb Sarmenta, Jamie La Vittoria, Jana Ejido, your trio of broadcasters for game number 2 today. Here we go. Ooh, makes it a set.
Ooh.
Why not? What a set by Jovelin.
In that last
Okay.
sequence down the line.
Mondoñedo, so many skills. Gonzaga shoots away. Mondoñedo goes to her porciento,
Jeez.
but it's still in play. One more time around the block. Minor.
Oh.
You're right about Mondoñedo. She won't go back again to
Rania Musa, they don't know who
Yeah.
Ho-An will go to.
well described, well analyzed. Partner, in the meantime, Mondoñedo says, let's try this. Jovelin is denied. However, Mina says, let me try my setting skills. Oh, look at this.
The veterans.
She seems to be still looking for her place in
Yes.
the dance, actually.
And you
Well,
can't blame her
Yeah,
because
there's-
she's new to this role.
yes.
That was
And
smart.
Van Sickle ends the drought. It is the first point, 8 points across her name. Eroa has settled down. Minor dancing in the air. Ceballos is back. And almost they didn't catch that one.
Oh.
Hell, the deer says, I got it. Don't worry. 12 points. Volleyball, the outdoor volleyball, beach volleyball training
Yes.
in Jovelin Gonzaga is coming into play. Wherein there are just 2 of you. You have to do a lot, actually. The beer. That's manageable.
Good.
I thought Mondoñedo would go on 2, but let's go to this place. It's also the same thing with
They
13
had a
points.
small hiccup in receive with Laia
yeah,
Roa,
yeah,
but they
yeah.
were able to make those in-game adjustments.
Yes, in the meantime,
Good receive. there we go.
Eroa was out of position.
That's a good set.
Good pickup from the back row by Van Sickle. Van de Vida. Minor getting her blocking skills to work it. There seems to be a lockout on the airspace,
Yes.
actually.
It's a wall.
Yep. Oh, Van Sickle and Jobs. Jobs, wala ka sa beach. Wala ka sa beach volleyball. Tayo na. The whole time on the sets, I had to tell her, tayo na, tayo na. Oh, Mondoñedo gets her second point on that on 2. And she was actually going to try it on 2. So
Correct.
that threw off the defense completely. In the meantime, struggled to keep the ball in play.
Good.
Oh, good stretch by Ceballos. Pushed up the high by Myla Pablo. Here's a chance to attack. Myla with one arm on it. Battle at the net. Second longest rally. Mondoñedo wants to join the party. In the meantime, that ended. Ceballos denied, but kept in play. You're right about the coverage of Zeus. It's been intact, except for those early stages of the first set. That is not going to work and not contained in the second. Lindsay, Mondoñedo, Minor hooks it in. It is, yung mga tumatambol, doon sa mga drums, pwede ba pag nagsasalita si Jana Ejido, tumahimik muna kayo para maintindihan natin. Magagalit si Jana.
Yes. Small but mighty.
Yeah. She's our super libero. Zeus is doing just keeping Petrogas
Oh, still
present
good.
in their sights and joining them.
Really talked about Myla Pablo coming from
Yeah.
the right pin. That's crucial.
Mondoñedo adjust. Ooh, what an angle by Jovelin. That's blocked. Nogales. Nagalit.
Coach Sherry smiling.
Venue na to. Kagabi pa nandito yan.
Ah, wow.
Oh, kasi nag-spiker step kami kagabi.
The opening.
Yeah.
Yes.
We ended up going home at 10:30 last night.
Oh my. Because it's also triple header.
Yeah, in the meantime, that's inside. And they have some momentum.
Yes.
And they feel they can beat everybody here.
Oh, goodness. I can't get over her attack. It's long cross court. It's down the line. And that
You
is
know, when you're a player and that happens to you, you're trying to talk to yourself. Come on. Bawi
Yes.
tayo, bawi tayo. Minor.
It's a mind game.
Oh, si Mansico said, why did I put my hand out?
Anna De Beer with 14 points already.
Yeah. Oh, almost a service ace. Lindsay Van Davideg trying to get to it. Hello. Smart defense there by Petro. The blocking of
Yes.
Zeus has been solid. And she, out of those 6, are actually 2 blocks. That could have gone out, but the
And
Beer
that's
was
a-
committed to it. Block.
Ooh, that's
It's
inside.
yes, it is. On Van Sickle.
Lindsay, yes.
Yeah, and Lindsay. In the meantime, some sloppy play on the on the part.
In this game, it carries so much weight.
Minor shoots long.
Is there a touch on that one?
14, 13.
That was too low for MJ, but it worked. Chloe Ann with 9 excellent sets so far.
Yep. Cloan serve in play. Reverse. Phillips, the Beer is there. Mondoñedo hustles for it. Oh, the Mondoñedo is rewarded
Yes.
with a point because she had to hustle. Van Sickle on the receiving end. Oh, that's
It's been
space.
working.
MJ. Mondoñedo.
Good
Arroyo denied. Eroa makes it a set for Jovelin.
Ooh.
And Chang was so surprised with it by that because by Zeus. Good set. Oh,
Ooh.
Van Sickle babied that. And
Yes.
here's Ceballos. Campiatura. Van Sickle
Oh.
knocks it down cleanly.
Interesting, Elia.
Here's the serve. Janelle Cheng. That's in play. We recycle the offense. Jovelin hits it and gets it to bite. Sa beach volleyball, madalas wala dun tao dun eh.
Yes.
Oh, yung malapit sa
Only
net.
2, exactly.
Yeah. Good cover by the Beer. Jovelin says one more
Oh.
time. Micah Go on the floor. Van Sickle, Go will get to it. Mondoñedo, the Beer.
Oh, goodness.
Chang unable to contain it. Premier Volleyball League at the forefront of those early days. In the meantime, that's inside.
So down the line by Myla Pablo. Already.
We have the count at 21-17. Brooke Van Sickle.
Ooh.
Ceballos. Mondoñedo with a fake.
What?
What?
A
I love
play.
the set. I love the set.
Safe. The
Going
mini
through the
jump.
clouds and suddenly it's clear.
Yes. And I also like how Chloe Ann doesn't do it all the time.
Yes, good point. Oh, they got that one. Here comes the Beer. They're 2 points away from taking a 2-set to lovely. Tempiatura makes it the set. Mondoñedo keeping it very alive, playing like a libero at the center position. Blocked, but out. Match. First serve received by Gonzaga. Mondoñedo goes to the Beer. Let's finish this set.
Good receive.
Iroa has settled down. Oh, we are done.